Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And for some of you, fresh memories of 48 hours ago when we had flooding across the area right here on the Washington Bridge. Coming down that hill, all that water piled up. We have some severe storms in the area for southern New England tomorrow. And the potential is there for some heavy rain and some damaging winds, but also some rain. What we want to have happen tomorrow, best case scenario, play down the severe weather, play down any type of flooding, but get the rainfall that we so desperately need tomorrow afternoon and evening, and I'm hoping that's how it plays out. Now, temperatures outside right now, no issues this evening. It was just gorgeous outside. Combination of 60s with some 70s. Dew points are creeping up slowly, and it'll be a bit more humid tomorrow. And you wake up tomorrow, and you get ready for work, and you're on your way, and it's sunny, and it's nice. It's a beautiful start to the day. In fact, through mid-morning is just fine. Clouds will start to build around noon, and then we turn our eyes to the sky for the potential for some stronger storms in the afternoon. Now, by about 3 o'clock, they're entering areas like northern Rhode Island. But throughout the evening, showers and storms will continue to try to press towards the coast and bring a little rain to just about everybody by 6 p.m. And then eventually by 9 p.m., they're out of here. Tomorrow's a very warm day, too, upper 80s. And with more humidity in the forecast, any storms that do develop produce heavy rainfall. Speaking of rain, a little isolated shower in the Berkshires right now, moving into southern Vermont. We're dry, though, just a little cloud cover building in from the south. But off to the west is a more solid slug of rain. You can see it here moving into Canada and then eventually to upstate New York tonight. A lot of the activity through the morning tomorrow, and why we're going to have some sunshine to start the day, is that a lot of this rain is going to go up and over our area, and New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine will get into the action pretty early in the day. But not until later in the day, when the back edge of this starts to swing through, does our chance for rain and storms go up. So what to expect? Heavy rain, damaging winds, and dangerous lightning. And that threat for our area is mainly for areas north of Providence or northwestern Rhode Island. I put severe threat for locations north. You want to stay weather aware if you live like in Burrville or Pasco or Slatersville or Johnston or Lincoln or Cumberland or Woonsocket. As we go through the rest of the evening, when the storms start to lose a little of their oomph, they could just turn out to be big-time rainmakers for the rest of the area. That's not bad, because we obviously know we need the rain. We're in a drought. So Futurecast, no problems for tonight. You wake up tomorrow, there's your sunshine. Turn your attention to the west, sometime about 2, 3 o'clock. Storms start to rip across the area, mainly toward Mass Pike and north. But you can see the tail of this clipping northern Rhode Island. And that's the time when we could be looking at the potential for that severe weather. That's when the damaging winds will happen, the heavy rain, the dangerous lightning. The line itself will still hold together by 6 p.m. and still pack a punch for much of the area, but as it moves southeast, it will lose a little bit of that severe threat and just become a rainmaker. And as it continues towards the coast and eventually clears the area by 9 or 10, again, best case scenario would be is that we get the rainfall and miss out on the severe weather. Nonetheless, it's all out of here by Saturday, and by the time we get to Saturday morning and afternoon, it turns out to be a nice start to the weekend, and the second half of the weekend will be just as nice. Temperatures in the 80s. Monday looks good, too. It's a 3-day weekend if you want to call out now. And they'll be tracking some more rain for the middle of next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff Menz.